Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use bullet points in Notion. That's pretty simple. So open your Notion application and from the left side go to the page where you want to use your bullet point, and in here you can always give a comment or a forward slash and scroll a bit down to look for the options that you are looking for. Here you can see this bulleted list option. Simply tap on this option, and in here you can see they are showing you a bullet point and give the things that you want to be add, and you don't need to be give this command every time whenever you want to add a bullet point. Whenever you done this first one, simply tap on enter option and this option will be automatically come in your Notion pages. So as you can see this way, and if you simply double click on the things, you'll find out they're showing you that your this option is on bulleted list, and if you simply tap on this option you will find out a lot of options in here. So if you need to move this bulleted option in to-do list or number list or toggle list or anything else, you can always choose it from these options. And this one is also easy. As you can see, if you simply tap on this to-do list option, as you can see this symbol is changed. You can always do the things whenever you need. So that's it, and that's pretty easy. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.